Did you know that according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, we spend on average 2 hours a week doing laundry? But not you, not anymore. With Laundry Locker by Mulberrys Garment Care, you can have your laundry done in under a minute.
Here's how it works. First, download our app and sign up for an account.
A Mulberrys delivery expert will stop by and drop off a welcome kit and Mulberrys bag for your clothing. If you're in a rush, you can use a garbage bag or any disposable bag from your home. Next, gather up your dirty clothes. Separate items that need to be dry cleaned or washed and folded and place them in bags with your name and phone number. Then take your clothes to your nearest set of Mulberrys Lockers. If you don't know where the nearest locker bank is, you can find it on the schedule pickup portion of the app by selecting the locker field. Put your clothes in an available locker and then lock it up with any 4-digit code. Once your clothes are securely in the locker, schedule a pickup using the app. Be sure to list the address as the locker location, including the locker number. You can then enjoy your day. We will take your clothes to our very own award-winning cleaning lab. We use toxin-free detergents and state-of-the-art cleaning formulas to provide you with the best possible cleaning quality. While you're off doing what you do best, we're doing what we do best. When your order is ready, you will receive a text and/or email notification with a new locker number and code to get you reunited with your clothes. So if you want to get more time back in your day, just find a locker. We can't wait to service you.